again.
All right.
High school
No.
show choir come perform at the elementary last week.
All right.
Quit school.
They got out
We're going to do Jingle Bells first.
Okay.
to do the show for the elementary.
Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Yay!
That too if you have time.
I'm taking a movie
Why are you taking a movie?
so that I can record you for posterity.
Coconuts. Okay.
All right. Do you have another song you would like to sing?
Cars too.
Cars. I don't know that Cars has a song, Eric.
What about Jingle Bells all the way? Actually, you do that Star Wars
Annika,
song.
why don't you do the one that where you go whoa? You liked that one yesterday. Remember the whole song?
No, I don't.
Angels we have heard on high,
You do it.
sweetly singing over the plains,
Come on.
echoing their joyous call. Something, something their refrains.
So